Hello boys and girls, welcome to Robot Squad. In today's video we'll be learning how to make a number guessing game using Python. So first we're gonna import a very important module, very important library called random, and we'll use it further in the video. So let's introduce let's introduce the game. So welcome to the number guessing game. Welcome to the number guessing game. I think we can run that, and we can put another statement. This will be the instructions. So guess a number between the range of 1 to 10. Sounds robotic, but yeah, I think so we have introduced and we have given the instructions, so the player will now know what to do. And now first we need to make a variable, right, to store the number we have to guess. We need to guess. Now we have to store it. So random. So now we'll be using the library random.randint. Randint is nothing but random integer, randint, right? So and the range will be 1 to 10, simple. And we can put a user guess. Yeah, I think we can put a user guess now. So user guess again, will be integer for sure, and input guess the number. And let's look at the instances where a user is unable to guess the number in his first attempt. So if actual number is greater than the user guess. So if it is greater, that means our guess is lower, right? So yeah, that means our guess is lower, right? So we can type your guess is lower, right? And if actual number, so the vice versa again. So now I don't have to do much, just vice versa. Your guess is higher, right? So now let's make a loop, because it is actually quite difficult for the user to guess the number in the first try. So we'll make a loop, and give him chances, give him multiple chances, right? So while our actual number is not equal to user guess. So until we don't guess it right, we'll be getting user guess. I think this is the way we can do, right? We can do it this way, right? The same thing again. Guess the number. And I think so we'll be getting chances again and again, and we need to the same thing. Actually we need to copy this and paste the same loop again over here. Right, so we have gotten everything in place, and this will be looping until this this condition is prevailing. If this condition is broken, like if our guess is actually correct, then we can break from the loop. The loop will break and the loop will stop, and then if if our guess is equal to the real if our guess is right, then print u1. I think that's an E code. Right. So I think we can run it now. Right, so this is the number. How about 4? My guess is lower. Is it 6? Oh, 8. It's 9. Oh, is it 10? Yeah, okay. So the number was 10 and I got it right, and it took me quite a lot of attempts. Put me on. Yeah, so that's how you make a number guessing game, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel Robot Squad, and if you like it, just like the video. Come on, just click on the thumbs up and comment down below if you face any difficulties on that. We'll try to resolve your doubt. Right, so that's all for now, guys. Bye.